Sabi ni ate, inuuna nila muna ang mga bulsa nila. DSWD, korap talaga, lalo na sa mga probinsya. Oo nga no, ate. Talagang kurap na. Pinakialaman pa ngayon ng House Speaker yung pera ng DSWD. Mga kurap na nga yung nakaupo sa DSWD na dapat ipinamamahagi ang pera talaga doon sa mga beneficiary, yung mga less fortunate, yung mga senior citizen, di ba? Tapos, dahil alam naman ng House Speaker na kurap ang ahensya ng DSWD, di nakikurap din siya, di ba? Mapagsamantala talaga to. So, grandstanding talaga itong House Speaker natin, di ba? Alam niya kung saan siya kukuha ng pera, kung saan hindi magsasalita yung mga taga DSWD sa buwatan na ito, di ba? Sa buwatan na ito. House Speaker, DSWD, sa buwat. Sabi ni ate, believe talaga ako sa Tacloban, maraming tarpaulin at marami din bangaw o langaw. Yung bangaw-langaw, yun po yung mga nanlilimo sa Tacloban na nagkakalat. Ate, mas believe ako sa kanya dahil mayroon siyang 450 billion na unprogrammed appropriation. Mayroon siyang 500 billion na pang-ayuda raw sa mga Pilipino. Tapos may kinalaman pa siya sa 26.7 billion na akap sa DSWD, di ba? Imagine natin 'yan. Ang akala niya na nasa Tacloban pa rin siya, kayang-kaya pa rin niyang mangulimbat nang hindi nalalaman. Tandaan natin na national position na yan. Ngayon dahil question siya ni Senator Amy Marcos sa 26.7 billion, ipatawag niya kaya sa Kongreso? Diba? Ayan, sabi ni ate, grabe, trilyon ang nasabat ni Romualdez sa Kongres. Paano yan ngayon, PBBM? Asan ka na? Anong nangyari sa'yo? Tulog ka ba sa pansitan? Alam mo, ito lang yung history ng House Speaker na sobrang grandstanding sa pagwawaldas ng pera ng taong bayan. Di ba kung nakikita natin, sobrang dami niyang allocation kung saan-saan, pati nga sa DSWD, mayroon siyang kinalaman. Kung tutusin, alam ba talaga ito ni PBBM? May kinalaman ba ang presidente natin dito? O talagang may kasabwat siya sa loob ng Malacanang? Malamang baka yung First Lady. Hindi naman ito ganito kalakas ang loob sa pagiging grandstanding sa pagwawaldas ng pera ng taong bayan kung wala itong sinasandalan. Diba? Isipin natin, sino ang sinasandalan nito?
At gusto ko lang humirit. Nagulat din ako sa akap. At mas lalo akong nagulat sa halaga. 26.7 billion. Isang programa na ngayon ko lang natuklasan at ngayon lang narinig, pero may bilin dito sa text, all soft projects including AKAP must go through the office of the Speaker. AKAP, AIX, TUPAD, MAIP for the PI and other efforts. Yes,
Chair,
Senator JB,
ako rin
please.
medyo naging curious sa AKAP, ngayon ko lang narinig eh. No? Siguro can ask the SWD, what is this program about? Is it just between the House and, kasi wala ho kami sa Senate na alam niyan eh. So is it with the SWD and the House of Representatives, yung program?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, AKAP is just as foreign to us, technically, as Senator Bato, as it is provided
yes,
in line
Yusek Di Mapuro,
item.
I understand that it's under the DSWD budget. If you recall, in the Senate, I handle the DSWD budget, but like the COMELEC's mysterious addition of 12 billion, this 26.7 billion in the budget of the DSWD is alien to me.
Yes.
Madam Chair, if this WD declares that is foreign to them, saan lang galing itong budget? Baligtad na pala ang budgeting process natin. Ang Kongreso na magde-decide kung anong project i-implement ninyo. Hindi pala kayo ang nagre-request sa Congress na project na papunduhan, program na papunduhan. Baligtad eh.
Madam Chair, it is not an exclusive project or program for Congress. It will be regular program, but it is technically foreign in the sense that it has no guidelines yet.
Yes, Yusek
So
Di
it does not
Mapuro, did you
exist
request
as a
for this
program.
project? Was it in the NAP? It was not.
No.
There we go. Yes, do we allot sums of money, enormous sums of money such as this, almost 27 billion, for a project or a program that is undefined, unnamed, unfamiliar, with no guidelines whatsoever, with no target beneficiaries, and is just left open? Is this the usual practice in the DSWD?
Not necessarily a usual practice
Not
in the
necessarily.
DSWD.
So sometimes DSWD has these magical projects that no one has ever heard of before.
We don't create magical projects, Madam Chair. These are
But
part
when
of
is
the
it
GAA.
necessary? You said not necessarily. So there are times when it is necessary to invent projects?
There are times when there are necessary projects to
Yes, you have QRF and you have all kinds of emergency
Yes.
assistance. I'm very familiar. Why do you have to invent ACAP?
ACAP is not invented. I
But you
believe
just said that guidelines and the purposes had not been established.
yes, guidelines have to go through proper policy procedures. So
Pero
it's not
linagyan na ng
invented out
pera,
of the
walang
air.
nakakaintindi kung paano gagawin, kung kanino ibibigay. Walang kaplano-plano pero may pera na.
Madam Chair, there are programs that are provided by the GAA for NGAs to implement. But before we
Yes,
do
with all
implement,
due
we have
respect,
to...
USEC, that is not the usual budget process we're familiar with. There's always a very well-defined project or program before a line item magically appears in the GAA. It's fought over, debated, and discussed very, very thoroughly in the subcommittees as well as the plenary. This wasn't.
Madam Chair, we are currently creating the guidelines, and we would be happy to share with...
Parang baliktad naman yata yung buhay natin. Ngayon mag-iimbento ng dahilan, magdi-design ng project, pupunteriya yung mga beneficiary. Pero in the meantime, linagyan muna ng bilyon-bilyon. Yan na ba talaga ang patakaran ng DSWD?
Madam Chair, for programs that are intended for the poor, vulnerable, and disadvantaged, we welcome, obviously, more programs, and we would be grateful to be able to implement these other programs.
I'm familiar with your mandate, but nothing in your mandate indicates that you should be inventing projects and that you are exempt from usual budgetary study and procedure. I'm sorry.
Madam Chair, kaya siguro nagkaganon dahil hindi talaga sa kanila yung programa na yan.
Gagawa lang sila ngayon.
Oh, hindi talaga sa kanila. With due respect lang, in fairness to Yusek Di Maporo, bago nga yan sa kanya. Sabi nga niya, foreign eh. Hindi niya alam. So, huwag ka mag-alala. We are not faulting you for that. Kaya we are just investigating dahil the usual mangyari is meron ng bahay yung pondo, like AX. Kung sisingit man yung meron mang intervention dyan during the BICAM, ang lower house at saka upper house, the most that they can do is siguro dagdagan yung amount ng AX na yan. Pero may bahay na yan. Pero yung gagawa ng bagong bahay dyan during the BICAM, I don't know how feasible is that. Kaya nga sabi ng aming chairman, it's very magical. Kayo mismo, DSWD, hindi nyo alam na, uy, boom! May
teka.
ACAP pala na ganito kalaki.
Totoo, may nabasa lang ako bigla, o naalala ko lang bigla. Sabi ni Yusek,